SOSIS features Unity Week.
Next week is Unity Week. Do you know what Unity Week is?
No, what is it?
Unity Week is a week that we celebrate the school's community, diversity, acceptance, and inclusion to prevent bullying.
Why do we need Unity Week?
We need to take back from the school bullies and protect the community for a safer school environment.
So, what actions are we going to take?
We will gather together in the garden and plant beautiful succulents, practicing unity and pledge to be kind to each other.
Let's plant some succulents and have fun. Make sure to stay unified.
Hi, I'm Aaliyah from SOSIS Broadcasting, and I'm here with
Junia from Leadership.
and we're going to interview her about Unity Day. Why is Unity Day important?
Unity Day is important because we want to foster like a community with the students, and so that like people can like come together and like unite.
What events do you do, and what made you come up with these ideas?
Well, we thought of some activities that students can do together, or like with their friends, or maybe they can meet new people. We also wanted to like have an end result where they can showcase, where we can showcase like people, different kinds of people and personalities and different groups to like come together and like make something.
Oh, that's nice. What do you hope students learn from Unity Week?
I hope they learn that like they can like be friends and like unite with one another, and that like everyone can like create a community at school.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Asol, and I'm here with.
Lauren.
And so today, everyone in their homerooms received this paper. Can you explain what this is?
Sure. Oh, do I help? Yeah. So, sure. This paper is for Unity Day, which we'll be celebrating on October 16th. What it is you will decorate it with yourself, things that you believe. It doesn't necessarily have to be depiction of you. It can be filled with things that you enjoy. If you like cats, you can draw cats inside of it. If you belong to a certain religion, you can draw those sorts of things. And then you will cut them out. And in ASB, we will staple them together, and it'll be a bunch of people, holding hands for Unity Day.
Thank you so much.